I'm taking a video now. Wow, I love them. They're so pretty. Where are the shapes? I thought they were already here. Oh, I love the one. I like the ones that look like waterfalls, though.
Yeah, me too. Those are my favorites. Like that one up there.
Yeah, I love this one. They look so pretty. Oh, there's a little purple one. It's an oval. Wow, that scared me. Holy. Whoa. It's so pretty. That light was out of the way.
Oh, look at that waterfall.
Oh, I love the waterfalls.
That was a smiley face. Did you see it?
No. Yeah. Oh my gosh. There's one going. Whoa! How the smoke looks after, when they're shoot up. That's cool.
Oh, I like those too. That disperse afterwards.
Zephyr, quit moving.
No.
Zephyr, quit moving.
There.
Whoa!
There's a smiley face. Did you see it that time?
Yeah, I think I did. Oh, that scared me. That scared me. Was that it already?
No.
Whoa! Waterfall! I saw a smiley face.
There it was. Did you see it, Cody?
Yeah. Whoa. I'm getting all of this on camera. So pretty. It's kind of scaring me because all those big.
There, baby.
I know.
I think that red and green thing was a shape too.
Yeah, those.
It was turned. No, it was turned